Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Facebook Ads marketing. To begin, navigate to Ads Manager and select your campaign objective, like driving website traffic or generating leads. Next, structure your campaign by choosing the right ad account and setting up your initial ad sets. Finally, allocate a daily or lifetime budget, perhaps starting with $20 to $30 per day, and define your campaign's start and end dates. This foundational setup is crucial for success. Now, let's pinpoint your perfect audience. Facebook offers robust targeting options, allowing you to define demographics like age and location, plus interests and behaviors. Consider creating custom audiences from your customer lists or website visitors for retargeting. Then, leverage lookalike audiences, which find new users sharing characteristics with your most valuable customers, often expanding your reach by 1 to 5% of a country's population. This precision ensures your ads reach the right people. Crafting effective ad creatives is key to capturing attention. Use high-resolution images or engaging videos that resonate with your target audience. Your ad copy should be concise, compelling, and include a clear call to action, perhaps fewer than 125 characters for primary text. Regarding budget, start with a daily spend of at least $5 to $10 per ad set. Continuously monitor your spending and adjust bids or budgets to optimize for cost per result. Finally, let's talk about optimizing your campaigns for peak performance. Regularly analyze your ad performance metrics, such as click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per acquisition. Implement a /B testing for different headlines, images, or calls to action to see what resonates most effectively. Make data-driven adjustments to your targeting, ad creatives, or bidding strategies. Continuous optimization, even small tweaks like a 5% budget shift, can significantly improve your return on ad spend over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.